Welcome to the ultimate video to IELTS writing. Well, today in this video, we'll understand the common mistakes what people end up doing because of which the score is always stuck at 6 and how to fix it to get the scores to 7, 7.5 or even 8 bands. If you want to make most out of this video, make sure you watch the video till the end. Hey everybody, Nakul here from Skills IELTS. I really hope everybody is doing fantastic. I'm back with yet another super awesome power packed video on IELTS writing. What are the mistakes that you're doing, which should be avoided, and what is the immediate fix for the same. So before we get into the video, if you're not subscribed to this channel, kindly click on the subscribe button. Anytime you need online assistance, it's a paid assistance, you can check the information in the description of this video. We've left a WhatsApp link. You can click on the link, send us a message. I'll be there. We will be there to help you guide you in the right direction. All right, let me just share my screen. We will just start with the video I've got for you is IELTS writing, not this but do this. The things that should be avoided so that you transform your score, so that you increase your score. So I've got some basic elements here to be discussed. Pay more attention, be watchful so that you make most out of this video and get that desired score. Alright, the first thing is writing 3 ideas in each paragraph, because some guy would have told you, you write more ideas, you get more marks. So write 3 ideas, entire paragraph is done and dusted. You will not be able to add more stuff. As a result, no marks. Remember, it's not the ideas at all. How you're evaluated, task responses, one of the criteria. You also have coherence, cohesion, you also have grammar, you also have vocabulary. There are 4 things. It's not just the task response. If it was just the task response, I would have asked you to write 10 ideas if possible. So writing 3 ideas in each paragraph is meaningless, not required. Then how much ideas to write? How many ideas to write? 1 is more than enough. But it's not about just writing one idea. It's about how you write it. You need to write with a proper narration. See, in a movie, you have this introduction scene where hero and heroine meet. And then by interval, a villain would have entered. Post that, there will be some fight scenes. In the end, the hero will hit villain and the movie will end. So there is a narration, there is a flow. There should be a main idea, supporting idea, and some example. So writing 1 idea in each paragraph is what you should be doing. What you should not be doing, writing 3 ideas. 2 ideas, it's up to you. You write 2 ideas, it's going to be very lengthy. 1 is enough, trust me on that. But for each idea that you write, make sure to add some supporting ideas. They're very, very important. After you add supporting idea in 1 or 2 sentences, you have to go to example. Example, you should at least write some 2-3 sentences. So this is one structure, this is one bundle, this is one entity, this is one paragraph. So this people don't do, as a result they lose marks. For example, look at this particular statement. Well, this is a second paragraph for any question. Discussing one benefit of investing money on railways. It is a more time efficient and reliable means of transportation. The second benefit is, it is very much affordable. Third benefit is, fourth benefit is no marks. I'm telling you, no marks at all. Then how do we do it? Pay more attention. I've just divided them in different colors, separated them in different colors so that you understand more about this. Dividing them into the main idea, supporting idea, and examples. If you properly observe, one benefit is, it is a more time efficient and reliable means of transportation. The one in yellow is the main idea. Now again, one more main idea will not come in the paragraph. If it is coming, then probably here you need to add it, which would make it more lengthier. Not required. But look at this in the green. That is the supporting idea. I mean, continuation of this. Why it is time efficient and reliable? Reliable because the time is fixed. It has a fixed schedule for trains to arrive at a particular station, where people also have access to the train map on their own hand, and they receive the detailed information on the train, including train number, arrival. So this is supporting idea. Even example, continue talking about this time efficient and reliable means in example with at least 2 or 3 sentences. This is one structure. This is one para. The above one you should not do. The below one is what you should be doing. And do that. Overnight your scores will improve, man. Trust me on this. Let's quickly move on to the second thing that you should be avoided and the real fix for it. Never write example in 1 sentence. I've seen lot of students writing example in 1 sentence. Introvert kind of feeling, isn't it? I don't want to write more. I'll write only less. Concise. Concise is a very good thing, but in that 1 line, 1 sentence, you should include everything, which is very difficult to do. Then add 3-4 sentences to add more clarity. What is example? Example is a scenario. How can you explain an instance or explain a scenario in 1 sentence? It's highly impossible, man. 2 3 sentences minimum that need to be written. Remember, always remember, just like the previous example that I showed over here, if you observe, people using on that, a train map where there will be fixed time schedule and route to reach the destination. Due to this, it saves the time as there will not be any road congestion. Also, they do not have to wait in the station for prolonged time. ED has to come as we have to do for road vehicles. So this entire thing looks like a proper example. As opposed to this, people write one sentence example which will not give any clarity. Give it a thought. See, it's about transformation, correct? If you want to increase your scores, then these are the things that you need to add. Alright, the next one, like I told, never write example in one sentence, always write 2 3 sentences. Like I just showed, the same thing over here as well. So moving on, random writing without any link. I'll write idea, supporting idea, example. But nobody who reads it would get to know that you are actually writing a supporting idea or you're actually writing an example. People would not understand. In that way, people will write the paragraph. Random writing, no, that will not work. Make sure to have linking words for every sentence. Sorry on that sentence spelling wrong. For every sentence, make sure to have a linking word, a linking thing, so that it adds to the scenario. It provides that narration. This is missing. So what do I exactly mean? If required, you can use a template. I've shared many templates. You just type skills IELTS templates, you'll find many templates. Templates doesn't mean that it will have every word. Template is just an outline. Firstly, this means as a result, for example, also, it just gives an outline. Template should not be given in a way that it, have or contains more than 150 words. No, template is just few words, linking words. So let's understand what I exactly meant with this example. Just observe the things in the yellow. Discussing one benefit is it is more time efficient and reliable means of transportation. This means there will be a fixed time schedule for trains, blah blah blah. If you put a full stop here, you can also continue by saying this implies. This also means, in addition, correct? Full stop is not there, so I did not add for example. After example, just pay attention to it. People use a train map where there will be fixed time schedule and route to reach their destination. Due to this, that's a linking word. You could have written without it, but when you add it, coherence cohesion marks will go up, man. It's task response, coherence cohesion, lexical resource, grammar. Coherence cohesion is also very important. Due to this, it saves the time as there will not be any road congestion also. In addition, furthermore, if you want to add more things to it, then you add this. They do not have to wait in the station. So I need this linking words. You add these linking words. You make sure to write, the main idea, supporting the example, add linking words, and make sure example you write 3 to 4 sentences. Mostly 7 would not be difficult at all. Trust me on this. And you want 7.58, then you need to consider a few more things that I have in the next slide. Focusing more on vocab, no man, don't do it. You need 8, 8.5, probably yes. And this vocab doesn't mean that you use some hi-fi language by just searching or looking up for the word in the Google. No, it's topic related vocabulary. For any topic, for every topic, there are some topic related vocabulary that you need to choose. In our course vocabulary only, we have some 20 hours of videos in the live classes, because if you need it, you need to give the topic related vocabulary. If the topic is about education, there's so many words that align with the word education. You got to use them. Otherwise, not required, but mostly people need 7 and 7.5 or 7, mostly 7. For that, you focus on vocabulary, you will not get time to focus on other things, isn't it? Don't focus more on the vocabulary. Use these 10 words to get 9 bands. You don't get 10. You don't get 9 with those 10 words. Remember, focus on task response, meaning the right ideas or the best ideas. Coherence cohesion, like I just showed you main idea, supporting idea, example, and some linking words. That is coherence cohesion. Grammar is all about having a mixture of simple sentence, compound sentence, complex sentence. You need to write the mixture of this. It's not just about writing lengthy sentences all the time. When it's something very important, an important point that you're bringing out, make sure you put it in a simple sentence. It should be very crisp and short so that whoever reads understands it. A very important thing, you put it in the middle of nowhere. that will be lost. Then you should not use compound and complex for a very important thing. Compound and complex is for supporting idea and example. You need to have a mixture of all these things and not just focusing on the vocabulary will actually elevate your scores. I really hope this video was informative. I believe I've given you the right content explaining you the things that you should not do and the things that you should do to fix your IELTS writing essay problem. If you believe the video was informative, like, share and subscribe and leave your valuable comments in the comment section. Fine guys, this is Nakul signing off, Nakul, Nakul signing off from Skills IELTS. Soon we'll be back. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Thanks much.